Okay, so I have a colony over here that is queenless. I believe it's queenless last I looked. I am going to take a queen that I took from that other yard that had a really small colony, and I am going to drop her in here and see what happens. I don't have anything to extend her release, so I might just put her in here for 10-15 minutes in this little cage that she's in. I threw her in here. They're going to be probably fairly mad at me, but I just put the queen in there in that cage with some attendants. I'm going to double check this one, make sure it is queenless. It looks pretty weak, pretty small. They haven't eaten any of that patty. Yeah, this colony is most definitely not thriving, that's for sure. Put my little, quite a bit of honey though. Let's see how they look. This is a Hail Mary ballpark. Try to save the colony, but holy cow, unless they requeened, because there is eggs and larvae. Maybe it's a drone layer. Let me get a little better look. No, those are some fresh eggs. Well, I guess I'll see if I can see the queen. They're definitely weak. There's no eggs in that. Yeah, there's a hatched queen cell right there. I'll be darned. Maybe they were able to requeen. Let's hope so. That'd be phenomenal. I gotta look a little closer on here, see if I can find this queen. Because there is well eggs, good eggs in all those cells there. However, I am not seeing a queen. Where are you, girl? Well, it really makes me wonder. She's got to be in here. I've got to find her, because there's fresh eggs on this one as well. Good looking eggs, good pattern. Nope. Spend a long time looking for a queen. I don't have that much time today. I gotta get back in the tractor. Well, interesting. Maybe I won't dump that queen in there then. Or I will, and we'll see what happens. Don't really want to if there's a queen in there already. Haven't taken any of this pollen patty. Well, maybe I'll buzz through, keep that queen real quick, see if I see anything else that's queenless. Brad, I know he said had one that was queenless. Maybe I'll try dumping her in one of his. But I gotta call him first. Okay, so I have this queen here, and I'm going to transfer her into this wooden cage. And then I'm gonna put some tape on it, and my buddy is gonna come and do a manual release, because I had a colony that I thought was queenless, but is not queenless. And so, I wanna try to get this on camera here. Watch me lose this queen. So she's in here. This is an awfully big clip to put down in the nest. So, actually I need to get my tape ready. I'm going to put her in that California queen cage there. And then I will just tape the end and he will come manually release her. She was doing good. She had a little bit of eggs and pattern going on. However, there was hardly any bees with this queen. So I took her and I'm going to put her in a more established colony here. I might just have to do it the hard way here. There she is. There she goes. Put a good piece of Gorilla Tape on here. Okay, there's my queen. Now we are going to go add her to this queenless colony that Brad has. And he can manually release her. So, good looking queen. Take her over here to Brad's bees. My mentor, veteran mentor. He's such a good dude. And we're gonna stick it right down in here for him. And hopefully they will take. Just like that, right down in there. Oh man, that's kind of cool. Check out this Lifelight helicopter coming in nice and low. Oh, that's not Lifelight. It's red. I wonder if it's a fire. Hi. Huh. Okay, well there you go, Brad. There's your queen. I mostly just want to check the weight here and make sure these girls are still got, oh yeah, plenty of weight. Eating the pollen patties. I'm gonna do a stepler here and carry my phone and show you what some of these bugs are looking like. Not super full, but sure got a lot of weight up there. See, this one's gonna be a good one. Oh yeah. Yeah, these girls are good and ready for California. Let's check this one. Just gonna check a couple, right? Last one. Oh! That box is solid. They look pretty good. I'm liking it. Last one. Now I'm really pulling a Steppler here. Yeah, they look a little weaker there on that box. Kind of want to see the center. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. Not as good as those other ones, but that's the last one. One more. Pretty good box of... Whoa, shit! Yep. That was a smooth move on mine, huh? Steppler doesn't do that. Dang it. Alright, it's okay. Beekeeping. I did that on purpose, so those bees in the middle would be able to get some sunshine and come outside for a minute, and now they can go back in the colony. So, okay, can't end on a bad note. Got to do another one. Last one. Oh, yep, that's a box of bees. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching.